Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of facts related with the topic here like footprints without feet. And regarding that very discussion, we have already discussed about the story writer as well as author, its facts, theme, as well as its basic facts also. Just after finishing these all the parts related with the chapter, today I will have to provide you a brief summary related with the chapter. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. This story, Footprint Without Feet, is about a scientist who discovers a potion to make a man invisible. After swallowing the potion, the scientist turns to various mischiefs. He steals clothes from a supermarket and then steals lots of cash. To avoid getting notices, the scientist moves from London to a small village like Epping. He stays at a local inn in the village. When he is out of money, he steals from a clergyman's house. The local people suspected him and called the policeman. Now he succeeds to escape the police because of his ability to become invisible. My dear students, just after highlighting such a brief summary related with the chapter, next day I shall have to think to start the topic related with state based questions. So all of you stay at home, be careful. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.